Hello everyone, this is Sandian, the 19th character this time. This character we are learning easily and quickly in symbolic, hidden meaning, and biblical ways of interpretation uh, of the Chinese characters. This character means king. Two pronunciations we will look at. On the index, we are here. This character is the combination of two characters we already learned. Yeah, all same in shapes in Korea and in Taiwan and in mainland China. Yeah, this character meaning king and rule. Yeah, four strokes. One of the radicals. Okay, combination of these two characters. In Korean language, we teach 임금 왕, 다스릴 왕. 임금 means king, 다스릴 means rule. It's a verb. And Chinese pronunciation in mainland China, the standard Chinese language, wáng, wáng, having the tone number 2 value. Also, there is another tone number value, wáng, wáng, tone number 4. Okay, I already addressed the tone number principle as a separate lecture for 2 and 4. Below this lecture, you can find the link. So let's go on that basis. We are interpreting each character by symbolic and signatory manner. So this character means the true king. The true king connects sky, heaven, and earth, and man, all three together into one. The true king connects, connects sky, heaven, earth, and man, all three of those together into one. What the interpretation is, the true king rules over. Do you remember the hidden meaning of this character? Yeah. Rules over the heaven, earth, and man from up to down. The dictionary meaning of this character, king, monarch, the best or strongest of its type, grand, great, and in mainland China, surname. When this character is pronounced wang, the tone number 4, this one, wang, which means to rule, to reign over, or to govern. Okay, from up to down, ruling or reigning over and governing is made. So that's having the tone number 4 value. Hidden meaning is very important. Hidden meaning. In biblical interpretation, I would say King of Kings, God, Jesus Christ. Okay, King of Kings, Lord of Lords. This character has the values of King of Kings and Lord of Lords, okay, as hidden meanings. Please try to remember, who is your real king, the true king, okay? Very mysterious and wonderful character. So why tone number 2? Our true king God exists in the above as the perfection. So tone number 2. Being existing in the high above, who is perfect, full, intact, almighty, and faultless. So tone number 2. Why tone number 4? When we are talking about ruling, reigning over, and governing, wáng, wáng. Tone number 4 here. The king's rule is coming down from top to bottom. So tone number 4. Okay. The king's rule is coming down from top to bottom. So when this character is used to mean to rule, reign over, or to govern, it's tone number 4. Okay. What do you think about all of this interpretation up to the tone number principle application? Okay, thank you very much for your listening to the end, and see you next time.